Directionals category includes the most popular fixtures for the Essential series here at Lumascape. Now, today I'm going to talk about a handful of uplighting specific products, directionals that are for the downlighting aspect, as well as wall washes. So let's start with the D-axis family, the D-axis family. So we have the D-axis 4, D-axis 5, and D-axis 7. Now, the numbers actually represent the diameter of each product in centimeters. So that's your fun fact for today. Let's start with the D-axis 7 here. So this is the D-axis 7. It does have a handful of options that are important to talk about today. So number one, this is just the base, so don't pay too close attention to this guy right here. But you will find tamper-resistant screws, both on the knuckle as well as a set screw here. I've pre-released the set screw just to make it easy to manage the product. But from an exterior standpoint, the knuckle piece right here is tightened and controllable within the resolution of about 10 degrees. So what's also important with that is you do have clicks there to hold it in place. We find a lot more security and stability for long-term adjustment and holding of that angle when you do have built-in notches for that product. So in addition to tamper resistance, you can see the heat sink design built in. Again, just one more reason why Lumascape products do last so long. It's because we know how to manage heat, which helps extend the life of the product, extend the intensity of the product, and extend the consistency of the color temperature. You will find a default 45-degree angle lens. Now that 45-degree angle lens is the default option, but we do have a 60-degree longer shot option that you can specify. We do have the clear lens right here for at least the beam angle oriented products. If I'm going to take this off, like I said, I did pre-release the set screw there. We do have a handful of O-rings that are removed here just for simplicity of demonstrating the product. We also do have the power board system, which you can learn more about within the power board video. But just keep in mind that the D-axis 7, the larger one, can hold the larger size boards. So we do see more 3 LED, 6 LED, and 9 LED boards going in there, which is roughly equivalent to anywhere from 150 lumens to upwards of 600 lumens. In addition to that, for the D-axis product, we do have, it is shipped as with the default with the ground stake, but there are a series of different accessories that fit with this. Everything from ground mounted accessories to tree mounted accessories and everything in between. So that is the D-axis 7. Remember the siblings of that D-axis 7 would be the D-axis 5 and the D-axis 4. The 5 will hold a maximum of 3 LED or 150 lumens, while the 4 will hold a maximum of just 1 LED, which is about 75 lumens. But as a family, they tend to work very well because of the look, feel, and just general performance. But these are the most popular fixtures within that Essential series, so keep that in mind. Lastly, with these products are designed for upward lighting only. They are not designed for downlighting. If you need a downlighting directional fixture, I recommend moving over to the D-beam family. So over here, I have two examples of the D-beam family. This is the most popular one, the D-beam 6. Now, the D-beam 6 right here looks just like the others. This one happens to have a straight cutoff shroud. We do have the angled cutoff or the straight, whichever you are looking for or needing. You will find most of the same features as the D-axis family. You'll find the heat sink, you'll find tamper-resistant screws, both on angle adjustment as well as the set screw for the shroud itself. You'll find the same concepts in terms of the power board system. The smaller versions, the D-beam 5 will hold the 1 LED, D-beam 6 will hold 1, 3 LEDs, and the D-beam 8, the larger version of this, will hold the 1, 3, 6, or 9 LED boards. A key thing to remember is this is designed just for downlighting aspects. Okay, the features and the mechanical design are such that it's designed for where water comes from. And so if water is usually coming from the downward direction, we do plan for that within the design perfectly well. Just like on the D-axis family, we designed it for uplighting aspects and where water is going to be typically coming from. So that is the D-axis family for uplighting. This is the D-beam family for downlighting purposes with using a directional fixture. Now, lastly within this grouping is the fresco series. So here's just one. This is our wall washing concept. So From a wall wash standpoint, we do have, again, the same concept. We've got the smallest one, we've got the medium one, and we got the larger version, all within the D Fresco family. You will find various 1, 3, 6, and 9 LED board options within that power board system, depending on the size, obviously, but much of the same features as you saw on the D-Axis family. But most importantly, remember, this is designed for uplighting only. The D-Axis products and the D-Beam products are all made from die-cast aluminum. So on top of that die-cast aluminum, we do anodize the products. That anodization provides a marine-grade layer protection on the products to prevent corrosion and help with scratch, UV resistance, and other things. On top of that anodization and marine-grade protective layer, we do offer a powder coat finish as well. So that powder coat finish offers a secondary layer of protection, as well as color and blending with the architecture or landscape, as well as in some cases a little bit of a texture feel too. So a variety of different powder coat colors, even custom colors for, again, these D-Axis and D-Beam products. The Fresco line does offer die-cast aluminum products and design. It also offers a die-cast brass configuration too. That brass configuration, it provides a natural element for various features and landscape. So whether you're looking for aluminum, brass, and a variety of finishes in between, the Axis family, the Beam family, and the Fresco family offer all the needs that you're going to need from a directional, low voltage, and landscape standpoint. So that concludes everything from the Axis, Beam, and Fresco families. If you have any more questions or want to learn more about the Essential series, go to lumascape.com.